everybody. Today I have my new iPad, or my 1080 pixel quality iPad, but this one I'm going to have to do a quick upload, so it won't be it'll only be 720, but I got it back up and running again. But anyways, I already did a video of this one last night, but I'm going to do another one before I do the white Panama with one of the white blades. We have my wood-bladed, one of my Casablanca Panama 5 and Tally Touch ceiling fans right here. I got at Habitat for Humanity Restore yesterday. So this fan's in great shape. There's not much to explain other than it's a Panama 5. So we'll give it a spin. Now I do have this mounted kind of weirdly, and if I put too much force on it, it could fall over. There we go. Get a close up of the motor there. We'll get a undershot. Both the Delta 2 and the Panama have the same vents on the back part as on the front part, so that's a pretty cool design. Like I said, it's both with this one and the Delta 2 ceiling fan. Delta 2, it's the same on the back as on the front. So thank you for watching. Bye.